Hello, Charla Cormier with Cormier Property, eXp Realty. I am here at one of my listings in BURNET, Texas, 215 Summit Ridge. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with an office right off the kitchen. It also has a Murphy bed in the office for extra company. This home just had a new roof put on about 3 days ago. It had a new hot water heater installed about a week ago and a new well system installed about a month ago. It is vacant and we just lowered the price to $575. You guys call me for a personal tour, or if you don't live in the area, call us for a FaceTime showing, 830-613-0448. Looking forward to talking with you. Have a great day.